Do you like to draw? Yes, so let's draw with me. Let's draw some grapes.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
This is so much fun.
W, X, Y, and Z.
Now, let's draw a watermelon.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Do you like these fruits? Now, let's draw a strawberry.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
I love strawberry ice cream. Whoa, this is so magic. Blue.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Green.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y.
This is so much fun.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Let's paint watermelon now. Yellow. Red. I love watermelon. Do you like? If you like this video, don't forget subscribe, friend. I love it draw. Let's paint a strawberry now. The color red is a beautiful. Whoa, this is so magic. I love this. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. See you in the next video. Bye.